Hey there, VW owners. Today we're diving deep into the secret world of Volkswagen hidden features and tricks that your mechanic probably doesn't want you to know about. Now, before we get started, let me be clear. Nothing here is actually illegal, but these are the kind of insider secrets that can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars at the dealership. So buckle up, because we're about to unlock your Volkswagen's full potential. Trick number 1, the secret diagnostic mode. Let's start with something that'll blow your mind. Did you know your VW has a built-in diagnostic system that you can access without any special equipment? Here's how it works. Turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Now, press and hold your trip reset button on your instrument cluster. While holding it, turn the key to the accessory position. Keep holding that button for about 10 seconds, and boom, you're in the secret diagnostic menu. You can now scroll through various system checks, see real-time sensor data, and identify issues before they become expensive problems. Your mechanic charges you $100 just to plug in their scan tool, but you just did it for free. Trick number 2, resetting your service light without the dealer. That annoying service light glowing on your dashboard? Mechanics want you to bring it in so they can reset it for $30 to $50. But here's the secret they don't tell you. For most VW models, you can reset it yourself in seconds. Turn your ignition on, then immediately press and hold the trip reset button. While holding it, turn the key to the off position, then back to on. Keep holding for about 15 seconds until you see the service interval display start flashing. Release the button, press it again briefly, and the light resets. You just saved yourself a trip to the dealer and kept that money in your pocket. Trick number 3, the hidden coolant temperature gauge. Volkswagen removed the coolant temperature gauge from most modern models, which seems crazy, right? But it's still there, just hidden. When you're driving, press and hold the trip reset button for a few seconds. Your display will cycle through various readings, and one of them is your actual coolant temperature. This is crucial information because you can catch overheating issues before they destroy your engine. Mechanics love it when you ignore this, because an overheated engine means big repair bills. Now you can monitor it yourself and catch problems early. Trick number 4, activating your hidden fog light feature. Here's something wild. Many VW models have a cornering fog light feature that's disabled from the factory but already built into your car. Using an OBD11 tool, which costs about $50 and pays for itself immediately, you can activate this feature. The way it works is brilliant. When you turn your steering wheel past a certain angle, the fog light on that side automatically illuminates to light up the corner you're turning into. It's a premium feature that Volkswagen charges hundreds for on higher trims, but it's sitting dormant in your car right now, waiting to be unlocked. Trick number 5, the emergency trunk release override. Got a dead battery and your trunk won't open? There's a hidden mechanical release that most people don't know about. For models like the Passat and Jetta, fold down your rear seats and look for a small cable or lever near the trunk latch mechanism. Pull it, and the trunk pops open even with zero electrical power. Mechanics and tow truck drivers charge you emergency fees for this simple fix. Now you know the secret and can do it yourself in 30 seconds. Trick number 6, programming. Additional key fobs? Dealerships charge anywhere from $200 to $400 to program a new key fob. But on many VW models, you can program additional fobs yourself if you already have at least one working key. The process varies by model, but typically involves sitting in the driver's seat, closing all doors, inserting your working key, and following a specific sequence of turning the ignition on and off while pressing buttons on the new fob. Search for your specific model's procedure online, buy a blank fob for $50, and program it yourself. That's $350 you just saved. Trick number 7, unlocking the secret staging mode. For you Golf R and GTI owners, this one's special. There's a hidden launch control feature that most owners never activate. With your car in sport mode, turn off traction control completely, press the brake pedal firmly, then floor the accelerator. Your engine will hold at a specific RPM, and when you release the brake, you'll get maximum acceleration with optimized traction. This feature is built into your car's computer, but isn't advertised because VW doesn't want liability issues. Use it responsibly, but know that it's there and it's incredible. Trick number 8, the throttle response modification. Feeling like your VW's throttle response is too sluggish? There's a hidden setting you can adjust. Using a simple OBD11 device, you can change your throttle mapping to be more aggressive. This makes your car feel significantly faster and more responsive without any mechanical modifications. Dealerships offer this as a paid service or try to sell you expensive pedal commander devices, but the adjustment is already in your car's computer, waiting for you to unlock it for the cost of a $50 cable and 5 minutes of your time. If you made it this far, then consider liking this video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to my channel. This helps me bring you more honest car advice. Trick number 9. Activating Autolock when driving. Most modern cars automatically lock the doors when you start driving, but Volkswagen disables this feature by default on many models. However, you can easily activate it. Go into your infotainment system settings, navigate to vehicle settings, then door and lock settings. You'll find the option to enable auto lock at 7 miles per hour or when you shift out of park. It's a simple safety feature that should be standard, but VW hides it in the menus. Turn it on and enjoy that extra peace of mind. Trick number 10. The hidden tire pressure display. Your tire pressure monitoring system does more than just warn you when pressure is low. There's a hidden menu that shows you the exact pressure in each tire in real time. Access your vehicle settings through the infotainment system, find the tire pressure section, and switch from the basic warning system to the detailed display mode. Now you can see exactly which tire needs air and by how much, without using a separate gauge. Mechanics love when you come in for low tire pressure because they charge you to fill them. Now you can check and fill them yourself at any gas station. Trick number 11. Resetting your sunroof after battery disconnect. If you've ever disconnected your battery, you might notice your sunroof stops auto-closing or acts weird. There's a simple recalibration procedure that dealers charge diagnostic fees for. Close the sunroof completely, then press and hold the close button for about 10 seconds, even though it's already closed. This recalibrates the sunroof's position sensors. Release the button, then open it fully and hold the open button for another 10 seconds. Close it one more time while holding the button. Your sunroof is now recalibrated and functioning perfectly, all without a mechanic touching it. Trick number 12. Activating the hidden needle sweep test. Want to check if your instrument cluster is working properly? There's a cool hidden test mode. With your ignition off, press and hold both the trip reset button and your gas pedal. While holding both, turn the ignition to the on position. Your needles will sweep from minimum to maximum and back, testing all gauge functions. You can also cycle through various display tests. This helps you identify any gauge issues before they become problems. And it looks pretty cool too. Mechanics use this same test, but charge you for the privilege. Trick number 13. The secret window control after exit. Here's a convenient feature that's disabled by default. You can actually control your windows after you've turned off the car and removed the key. Simply hold the lock or unlock button on your key fob, and your windows will go down or up respectively. It's perfect for hot days when you want to vent your car or if you forgot to close a window. To activate this feature, you'll need to enable it through your infotainment settings or using an OBD coding tool. Once activated, it's incredibly useful, and something luxury brands charge extra for. Trick number 14. Forcing ADPF regeneration. For diesel VW owners, the diesel particulate filter can be a nightmare. When it gets clogged, dealers want to charge you thousands for replacement or expensive cleaning services. But you can force a regeneration cycle yourself. Drive your car on the highway at speeds above 60 miles per hour for at least 20 minutes, keeping your RPMs above 2,000. The exhaust system will heat up enough to burn off the accumulated soot. You can also use an OBD tool to manually trigger a regeneration cycle. This simple maintenance can save you thousands in premature DPF replacements. Trick number 15. Unlocking the hidden performance menu. Many VW models, especially the GTI and Golf R, have hidden performance data screens. By pressing and holding certain combinations of steering wheel buttons while in your digital cockpit display, you can access screens showing boost pressure, oil temperature, G-forces, lap timers, and more. The exact button combination varies by model year, but it's typically holding the view button while using the scroll wheels. This information is invaluable for understanding how your car is performing and catching issues early, but Volkswagen buries it deep in the interface. Trick number 16. The emergency brake force distribution reset. If your brake pedal feels spongy or your ABS light is acting strange, there's a reset procedure that can fix it without expensive diagnostics. With your car parked on level ground, pump your brake pedal about 20 times with the engine off. Then start the engine and pump another 10 times. This can reset the brake force distribution system and clear minor faults. Obviously, if you have serious brake issues, get them checked professionally. But this simple reset fixes a surprising number of minor brake sensor glitches that mechanics would charge hundreds to diagnose. Trick number 17. Activating comfort turn signals. Tired of your turn signal clicking 3 times when you barely tap it, or wanting it to click more times? You can adjust this. In your vehicle settings menu, look for the lights and visibility section. You'll find an option to adjust how many times your turn signal blinks with a quick tap. You can set it anywhere from 3 to 7 blinks typically. Some models require OBD coding to access this feature, but it's there. It's a small comfort feature that makes daily driving more pleasant and shows you how much control you actually have over your car's behavior. Trick number 18. The hidden oil life calculator override. Your oil life monitor is conservative by design, telling you to change oil earlier than necessary. While regular oil changes are important, you can actually see the exact percentage of oil life remaining through the hidden diagnostic menu we discussed earlier. This lets you make more informed decisions about when you actually need service rather than blindly following the light. Combined with using quality synthetic oil, you can often safely extend intervals beyond what the dealer recommends, saving money without sacrificing engine protection. Just be sure to keep records of your maintenance. Trick number 19. Enabling the hidden daytime running light modes. Most VW owners don't know you can customize how your daytime running lights behave. Using an OBD coding tool, you can set them to stay on constantly, turn off completely, or even enable a European-style DRL setup where your low beams run at reduced power. You can also enable or disable the feature where your taillights come on with the DRLS. Some owners prefer certain configurations for aesthetics or functionality, and being able to customize this yourself means you're not stuck with whatever configuration your car came with from the factory. Trick number 20. The master reset for electronic gremlins. Finally, here's the ultimate trick for when your VW is acting weird electronically. There's a master reset procedure that clears many electronic faults and resets various control modules. Disconnect your negative battery terminal and wait exactly 15 minutes. While it's disconnected, press your brake pedal firmly for 30 seconds to drain residual power. Reconnect the battery and let the car sit with the ignition on but engine off for 2 minutes before starting. This resets most electronic systems and often fixes random glitches, warning lights, and weird behaviors that dealers would spend hours diagnosing at $150 per hour. There you have it, 20 hidden Volkswagen tricks that can save you serious money and give you more control over your vehicle. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding your car means you're not at the mercy of mechanics who might not have your best interests at heart. Use these tricks wisely, stay safe, and enjoy your VW to its fullest potential. If you found this helpful, make sure to share it with other VW owners who deserve to know these secrets too.